Okay, I'm going to show you how to create a custom 6-pack of cupcakes where your customers can call and order a 6-pack of 2 different flavor combinations of cupcakes. So first you're going to go to templates and you're going to go to your custom cupcake template and you're going to go to the cupcake size that you sell in the 6-packs. For us, it's standard. I'll click it and I'm going to create a product from this. I can rename it custom cupcake. There's a few different ways you can do this, but this to me is the most straightforward. You can give it a price and you can you have to put it in a category. We'll just throw in cupcake cakes and you can manage the tax settings here. So I'm creating that. Great. I've viewed that product. Let me go view that product. So this is my new custom cupcake that I sell to my customers direct. Pre-select, you're going to see it's linked to that one single cupcake. And this is really important for reporting so that every time this custom cupcake gets added to an order, the flavor will show up on your batter report, like your flavor by layer report, and you'll be able to give your customers a selection of the frostings that you offer. If there are frostings or cake flavors that you don't sell in cupcakes, like for us, we don't do red velvet and carrot. This is where, and for frostings, we're not going to do custom whipped cream, naked, or fondant, but we're going to sell cupcakes in any of these other frosting types. This is where you're going to manage that and disable some of the options. We're also going to say, hey, we just want selected decoration lists and we'll assign them because I don't want it to be junked up with a bunch of different decoration lists, just those that pertain to cupcakes, and all of that looks good. So we'll go ahead and save that. Now from here, I want to dump this one product into a group. And that seems like a counterintuitive step, but you do need to group this one product so that you can then put it in a bundle to sell. So I'm going to just create a group, and that's going to be called a cupcake. And it's going to be an ordering app only. So this is just going to be used when people are putting in these custom 6-packs. So I'm going to put custom cupcake, add this to the group, and I'm going to save the group. So now you'll see it defaults to the bottom. There's my cupcake group. Now that you have your group made, you're going to go build a bundle. And this is where you're going to give the rules of your 6-pack. So we're going to call this custom cupcake 6-pack. And we're going to do total price of selected products so that your upcharge pricing comes through. We're going to put this in the cupcake cakes. And we're going to go here and add a selection. It's going to be the group we just made, which is the cupcake. And here you're going to say, hey, this includes 6 cupcakes with a minimum of 3 per flavor and up to 2 flavors per 6-pack. And then we're going to attach the selected decoration list only. We're going to add the cupcake decoration list. This is a required selection because I'm asking how they want it topped, flat top with sprinkles or swirl finish. And then also I want to know colors. And for colors, I'm going to let them pick 2 colors per cupcake. And then I'm going to hit save. And I'll show you what this looks like when we put an order in. So I'm going to go to a new order. We'll pick the date, the time. We'll go to the cupcake cakes, the 6-pack. And then this is where you're going to raise the quantity of the 6-pack. Start with 1, build out that one, and you can add another one if you want. But here we are saying frosting, buttercream, flavor vanilla, add, and then another configuration is going to be chocolate ganache and funfetti. And you'll notice that it automatically put 3 of each flavor on. I'm going to say I want these swirl finished and I want them in blue and orange. Okay, and then I'm going to add them to the order. And over here, you're going to see that I have a custom cupcake 6-pack, 3 of the standard cupcakes in buttercream with vanilla sponge, and then 3 with funfetti sponge chocolate ganache with a swirl finish. And it added all the upcharges for the chocolate ganache and the funfetti, which were, I think, upcharged. So that's how you build your 6-pack of custom cupcakes inside of BakeSmart.